Okay, so in the lip, we have the Melting Pout Matte Liquid Lipstick. These are, let's see, there's 12 shades and these are $6.99. Then we have the Melting Pout Glitz Top Coat. This is $6.99 and there are 2 shades of this. Then we have some lip gloss. There are 12 shades, $6.99 for that. And the Queen Collection Major Shade Liquid Matte Lipstick, 12 shades, $8.99. So now let's take off this beautiful silver paper and see what we have. So basically heaven in like lip gloss, lip everything, just lip heaven. This is the Katy Cat gloss. I frickin' love this packaging. Like, shut up with this cat up here. Like, come on. This is so frickin' cute. So then we have the Covergirl Queen Collection Major Shade. Love this. Super, just very classic Covergirl packaging. Okay, so then we have the Melting Pout Glitz right here. This is liquid glitter. It goes on as like a top coat just to add a little bit more of a shine to your look. So this is the eye box. We have Easy Breezy Brow Microfine and Define Pencil for $6.99. Kitty Cat 8-pen eyeshadow palette. Those are each $9.99. Get in Line liquid liners for $7.99, and there are 5 shades in that, by the way, and there are 4 shades in this one. Then we have the Easy Breezy Brow Sculpt and Set Brow Pomade, which I'm super excited for. Available in 4 shades for $8.99. True Naked Smoky Shadow Palette. This is $9.99. Peacock Flare Mascara, available in 5 shades of black, and it is waterproof, which I just read, so I'm super excited about that. Those are $7.99. And then Lid Lock-Up Eyeshadow Primer, and this one is $7.99. Okay, so here is one of the brow pomades. This is in shade 720. So this is what the bottle looks like. It looks like a pretty good amount in there, and I'm pretty sure that is that. And then there should be a little brush on the top here. And then here is the little brush that just goes right there. I love these, seriously, like, because then you can just be like, do-do-do-do-do, and have a handle, or you can tuck it away and be like, okay, I'm done with you. So these are the brow pencils, and I always love Covergirl brow pencils. Let's see if we can, da-da-da. Oh, yes. A new brow pencil is like frickin' life. And if it's got the dual end down here, like, yes, homegirl has to come out the brows. They might be small, but like they get a little crazy. So there are 2 palettes. This is the cool, and then that one is the hot right there. So this is what the cool looks like. I really freaking dig these colors. Like, probably I'll be using these for like bronzers, like, no lie, and I might use that one for a highlighter, but these are so fun to play with. Like, I'm not very crazy with my eye color, but I'm about to be. Okay, so this is the hot one. Again, I'm low-key about to use a lot of this for bronzer or highlighter, but I love a good neutral smoky eye, so I'm super excited to be using this one. And seriously, look at these happy little cats. How could you not be happy putting on your makeup when you have this palette? And then we have the new True Naked Smoky. I'm excited to try this one. This kind of reminds me of, like, I don't know, all of the palettes that I always thought I could never afford, and I always saw big makeup people use them, and I was like, wow, I wish I could afford a $49 palette. And then, you know, Covergirl comes through for girls like us who don't want to spend a ridiculous amount of money / rent on a palette. So I'm very excited to be using this one. If you guys have used any of these, by the way, please let me know down below in the comments. I'm really curious to see how they worked out for you. So here is the Peacock Flare Mascara. Now this is waterproof as well, so let's see. Ooh, yes, I freaking love that brush. And this is actually really nice packaging too to like hold on to. Very excited for this. Then of course we have like the OG Covergirl liquid liner. Let's see what this looks like on the inside. Oh, sharp, straight to the point. That's definitely sharp enough to cut your enemies. So if there's anybody who's irritating you, you know, just put on some of this and go take care of them. And then finally we have the lid lock up. This is the eyelid primer, I believe. Let's see what this looks like on the inside. Oh, okay, super nice. That's kind of like a concealer. Let's just do a little test-a-roo of that. Let's see. Oh, that blends out super nicely. Okay, I definitely thought that was going to be like a crazy, like this color. That's not. All right, I'm digging this. I have actually never had a eyeshadow primer, so I'm super excited to be introduced into the beauty world with this one. Now finally we have the skin part of the box. We have Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion for $8.99, available in 2 shades. Vitalist Healthy Powder available in 4 shades, $8.99. Same thing, Healthy Concealer for $8.99, available in 6 shades. Look Lock-Up Setting Mist for $9.99. True Blend Pre-Touching Color Correcting Palette for $9.99. And Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighter for $8.99, available in 6 shades. So this is the Vitalist Go Glow, the Luminizing Lotion, and I actually have one of these. I've got both shades, and I seriously love these. I almost use them as a highlighter, and I do mix in a little bit with my primer every once in a while if I just want to have a little bit of that extra glow. Here are some of the Healthy Glow highlighters, and let me tell you guys, these babies are so pigmented, it's crazy, and you seriously need like, maybe like you just go boop and rub it on your cheeks. So freaking pigmented. These last forever. I got one, I want to say about a month ago, and it seriously, it doesn't even look like I've used it. So this is the Healthy Powder, which that just like, look at the, can we just have a moment for like all of this new packaging? I am like here for it. Hello, Covergirl. Yes, I see you. This is beautiful, and I cannot wait to use this. Also, let's take a second for the girls out there who have uneven skin tone, like your homegirl right here. This is a True Blend Pre-Touching Palette. I'm literally trying to say it, and I'm getting tongue-tied. But I'm super excited to use this because every time I go to Sephora, the people are like, oh, use the green primer because you have a little bit of redness in your skin. And I'm like, okay, but I don't really know what that means. Like, what are you saying? And I saw this, and I was like, oh, I see what you mean there, girl from Sephora. I should probably, you know, I'll probably just YouTube it and actually learn how to use half this stuff, but honestly, I like can't wait to hopefully not have as red of skin. So here's the concealer, and I actually have one of these, and I frickin' love it. Let's see if I can open it. Like, honestly, this brush is so soft. It's like a pillow of heaven for underneath your eyes or any blemishes you have. And again, like the packaging, I would whip this out and be like, oh, let me just quick fix my makeup in the bathroom, and I bet somebody'd be like, wow, that's an expensive looking concealer. And I'd be like, no girl, it's Covergirl. It's actually affordable. Finishing up the tray with the Look Lock-Up All Day Setting Mist. Now I seriously have been using this for I think about a month straight now, and I've used it on my mom too. Let me tell you, you spray this on, your face will not come off until you like actually scrub it off in the shower. And that's a good thing. Like, don't take that as a bad thing. This thing, like, it helps. I mean, there was no creasing. I've had no like rub off if I like hug somebody, like nothing gets on their shirt. Like, this literally locks up that look. But I see what you did there, Covergirl. But seriously, you guys, like, this is definitely one of my favorites, and this has been the only setting spray that I've used recently. So shout out to Covergirl for knowing, you know, how to help a girl keep her face on.
Do you get lonely at night? We don't have to go home. We don't have to go.